Hello student, welcome to my channel. So today we will learn special kinds of pairs angles. So let's see special kinds of pair angles. So these topics we will learn two angles are complementary, two angles are supplementary, number 3 particularly opposite angles, two angles are adjacent angles, linear pairs. So first, what are two angles are complementary, second two angles are supplementary, third vertically opposite angles, fourth two angles are adjacent angles, third linear pair. So let's see one by one. So first we will see two angles are complementary. So here when two angles are complementary, if sum of the two angles are 90 degree. So let's see first what if the sum of their measure is 90 degree, that means sum of the two angles is suppose 90 degree, then these angles are called complementary. Okay, pairs of complementary angles. So I will show you. Suppose here, okay, let's see, it will be like that. Yes, so first I will draw one line. Okay, I will make one angle. Okay, there you see one angle is this, another angle, this means two lines meeting at a point or two line segment meeting at a point, this is called angle. So here according to your definition, to when two angles are complementary, if sum of the two angles, so this angle is what, suppose this is 1, this is 35 degree, okay, and if it is, this angle will be 55 degree, then these two, there is 35, there is 55, if we add these two angles, then we will get, you see what, 35 degree plus 55 degree. So sum means plus, it will be 90 degree. Okay, so according to pairs of complementary angle, so this one, okay, if two angles their sum is 90 degree, then it will be complementary. Okay, now next point, two angles are supplementary, when two angles are supplementary, so it is similar like that. Here if the sum of their measure is 180 degree, if the sum of their measure, there means these angles, okay, means measure is 180 degree. Okay, so I will show you the figure. You see the figure, okay, this is one angle, so these two lines are meeting at a point. Now another angle, okay, so you see here according to statement, two angles are supplementary if the sum of the measure is 180 degree. So here, so suppose they are 60 degree, okay, and then there if I write 120 degree, okay, so if we add these two angles and 120 degree angles, you see, then we will get what, 180. So if the sum of their measure is 180, that means 60 degree plus, you see, 120 degree, to we add these two angles 60 degree and 120 degree, it will give 180 degree. So if the sum of the two angles is 180 degree, then it will be supplementary. Next point, now see vertically opposite angles. So are formed. Okay, so how the vertically opposite angles are formed? Whenever two line segment intersect each other. What? If two line segment intersects each other, then their vertically opposite angles will form. So, and their vertically opposite angles always will be equal. Okay, so I'll show you. You see the figures. Now vertically opposite angles. So let's see how vertically opposite angle will form. Okay, first you see I will draw two line segment, and this will intersect each other at a point O, and there this side is this angle, and their opposite side this angle. This is vertically opposite angle. You see, this is opposite side. Okay, if this is A, this one is suppose B, then this angle A and B measure will be always equal. Okay, so okay, suppose this is 56, then suppose 156, then it will be also 135. If it is 135, then it will be also 135. So you see A equal to angle A equal to suppose A equal to angle B, because this is vertically opposite angle. Now same like that, this side, this angle also, their vertical opposite angle is this angle. Okay, so if it is C and it is D, then same C equal to D, because why? These are the vertically opposite angle. Okay, suppose there, if I write 40 degree, then this angle is also will be 40. Okay, so according to question, vertically opposite angles always will be equal in measure. Okay, now 4. Two angles are adjacent if they have the same vertex, a common arms, and the other two arms on the opposite side of the common arms. Okay, so this means when two angles are adjacent, you see, suppose this is an angle, so when two lines meeting at one point, it will make angle. So this is angle. So if I draw another line in between these two angles, this is common of these two lines. Okay, this side, this line is common, this green line is common for these two line segment, red line segment. Okay, so if this common point is O, so and this is suppose A, and this one is B, and this one is suppose C. Okay, so these common arms OC for the both arms OB and OA. Okay, these common arms may make two angles with opposite of these two, opposite of the common arm OC, which one? OB and OA, and this common arm will make angle BOC and COA. So these two angles are together what? Adjacent angles. These two angles, this one is A or this one is B. Okay, hope you understood. Now next topic is linear pair. So linear pair, So if two adjacent angles have one arm and the other two arms are opposite rays, they are said to form a linear pair. So see, this is, suppose this is a ray, this is a ray, and this is a point. From there another ray will draw in this opposite of this direction. This point is, this O point is the common point of these two rays. Okay, so from there another ray will draw, and this is the common ray of these two rays. Okay, now it will make, now you see there are rays, and there also, if I give a ray symbol, then it will be, now this common arc divide this rays into two angles. So there is one angle and there is another angle, and it is also a adjacent angle. Okay, but their common arms, here you see their commons are not in opposite direction, but their commons are in opposite direction, so it is a linear pair. Okay, so that pair means their two angles are there, so these two angles will make 180-degree angle. If we add these two angles, then it will make 180-degree. Okay, and suppose this one is angle A and angle, this one is B. Sum of this is 180-degree. A plus B is 180-degree. Okay, and there is, suppose this A is suppose 120-degree and this one is suppose 60-degree, and 60-degree. So if we add these two, you see 60, A is and this is 120, 20, sorry, this one is 120, and B is what, plus 60 degree. Now see, okay, if we add this one, then so this what, is 180-degree. 180-degree. Okay, and there this linear pair angles is what, is also now it is linear angle. Pair. Okay, hope you understood. Thank you. This much only.